Hi friends, this is Nageshwar. Welcome to my channel ITbot143. In this tutorial, I will show you how to edit address list used in mail merges in the Microsoft Office Publisher 2007. Open Publisher 2007. Here I want to select a blank document. Click on Create. After this, come to Tools menu, navigate to Mailings and Catalogs and select the option Edit Address List. It will take us to the Data Sources folder. Select the recipient list and click on Open, or simply double click on this and it will open the recipient list in Edit Data Source window. Now we can add new data or new entry into the list. Click on New Entry. And we can also update the list with the recipient information. If you got the work phone and you want to enter, click in the cell and type the text. And we can also delete the specific columns from the list. For that, click on Customize Columns. Before we can customize this data source, we must save or discard any changes. Do you want to save the changes? Click on Yes. And here it is showing all the field names in the recipient list. And from here we can add and delete the columns. Here I want to add method of contact. Click on OK. And I want to remove address line 2. Are you sure you want to delete field address line 2? Yes. And we can also rename the field names. Here I want to rename this. OK. Click on OK. And here I got the new column, method of contact. If you want to see the full text, simply place your cursor in the middle and drag it. And also have deleted address line 2 and rename the zip code into zip. And if you want to change the column sequence, again click on Customize Columns. First we need to save this. Yes. Here I want to bring method of contact below to the phone number. Select the field name and click on Move Down. And I want to move up email address above home phone. Click on OK. Now we can find the changes. Email address and method of contact. And to widen the cells, place your cursor in the middle of the cells and drag it. And if we double click on this, it will adjust the cell width to the width of the content in the cell, but it will hide the column headers. And after this, if you want to delete a entry from the list, click in the row and click on Delete Entry. Again, it will ask for the confirmation. Click on Yes to delete this entry. And to delete only the data from a cell, select the data and press Delete from your keyboard, and the data will be removed from the cell. And we can also use backspace. Sometimes we need to find a recipient name from the huge list, so it may be difficult to find that. For that, click on Find, and here please enter the recipient name. And we can also customize the search. It will look in all the fields, or we can select specific field to search in that. I'm selecting first name. Click on Find Next, and it will show the recipient. Similarly, I want to Raj. Click on Find Next, and it will take us to the recipient name with the Raj. Similarly, I want to find the recipients from the Mumbai. Come to this field and click on the arrow, select city, find next, and here it is showing the recipient from Mumbai. Again click on find next, find next. So like this we can find the entries. And if you want to update the recipient information in the blank spaces of a specific column, and if there are few files, we can easily find the blank spaces and update the information. But if there are thousands of the recipients, it will be difficult to find the blank spaces. Here I want to update the company name information for the recipients Cherry and Veera. For that, click on arrow and select the option blanks, so that it will show only the recipient names that don't have the company name. Now we can add it. And if you want to sort the recipient names, click on the arrow and we can select sort ascending order and sort descending. Here I want to select sort ascending so that it will show the blank spaces if any there. Similarly, we can use sort descending. Again, click on the arrow, come to advanced, select sort records. Here I'm selecting sort by first name and ascending order. Click on OK, and after that again come to advanced, sort records. After sorting ascending order by the first name, again I want to sort them by last name. Click on OK. Again, to clear the sorting, click on the arrow, come to advanced, come to sort records and click on clear all. OK. After this I want to filter the recipients. Click on the arrow, come to advanced option. Here select the field. I want to filter the records based on first name. Here in comparison we can find different options: equal to, not equal to, less than, greater than, less than or equal, greater than or equal, is blank, is not blank, contains, does not contain. Here I want to select equal to cherry. Click on OK and it will show only the recipient name with the cherry. Again come to advanced. This time I want to use company name. Click on the arrow and select a company name equal to ITBert 143. OK, and it is showing the two records. Again come to advanced. Again I want to filter the records with the first name equal to Raji. OK, then it is showing only the record with the first name Raji and company name ITBot 143. And to clear this, click on the arrow, come to advanced and click on clear all. OK, again it will show all the records. After editing our recipient list, we need to save this. Click on OK. Do you want to update your recipient list and save these changes to recipient list? Click on yes. Like this we can edit address list used in mail merges in the Microsoft Office Publisher 2007. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and please share this video with your friends, and please visit my channel ITBot143 to watch more latest uploaded videos, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends, have a nice day.